Good evening and thanks for joining us. Tonight, we're learning more about the motive behind Friday's deadly shooting in Atlanta. A union representing CDC workers is now calling for tighter security measures and urging federal leaders to condemn vaccine misinformation. CDC workers say dangerous rhetoric may have played a role in the shooting. Dan Kennedy has more from today's rally in Atlanta.
They came with signs, speeches, and a message.
I go to work. We go to work. We are not backing down.
Sunday's rally follows Friday's attack outside the CDC, where Dr. Elizabeth Soda works. She left for home just minutes before the gunfire.
I broke down in tears. I probably cried for 4 or 5 hours that night, just trying to process how all of this happened, how we got here as a country, and what it's going to mean for our agency moving forward.
Dr. Soda says the shooting reflects a broader hostility aimed at public health.
It's been the worst year of my professional life. Yeah, without a doubt, without a doubt.
Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. said in a statement Saturday, "We know how shaken our public health colleagues feel today. No one should face violence while working to protect the health of others." For some CDC workers, the statement is too little too late, pointing out that Kennedy once called the CDC a cesspool of corruption.
I think leadership, especially Kennedy, denouncing that rhetoric and telling his followers publicly that violence against public health workers is unacceptable would be a big help.
I and my colleagues, my friends, we should be able to come to work and do our jobs, right? We're there to help the American public. That's all I've ever wanted to do.
Participants in today's rally say they hope it'll help spark a change when it comes to the rhetoric around the CDC and public health.
Now, the CDC says it's doing a full security check before the staff can return to work. Employees were instructed to work from home tomorrow.